नाज़रीन आपको बताएं, वज़ीर दिफा ख्वाजा आसिफ सदाद शिद्दत पसंदी सेमिनार से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Culture, which is, as I said earlier, that the outset of this century, it became, we were directly confronted with the extremism of all kinds. But the introduction of social media over the last decades or so, all over the world, and I think it has given a new tool or new weapon in the hands of extremists to spread not only the violence through weapons or guns, but violence through thoughts and behavior also. So these are some very, we are passing through some very testing times, and we have to counter these extremist or violent ideologies or behavior or trying to find a right word for it, the disciplines which have been created all over the world, not only in our country or in our region. We live in a very dangerous geography. On one side we have India, our eternal enemy, and then we have Afghanistan, which for last 3-4 decades has become a net exporter of violence or extremism or terrorism to the region and beyond. So in this sort of situation, we have to evolve some sort of discipline or narrative in our country, in our society, whereby people with divergent views and people with divergent ideologies, political or religious, social, they can live together. We see every day, or if not every day, almost every week, violence against minorities in this country, violence against political adversaries, violence against all sorts of different segments of society. So we are as a nation not at peace with ourselves. So that is something which we have to pursue. If we can achieve peace within, inshallah, the peace will come from without also. Thank you very much. बहुत शुक्रिया।
वज़ीर दिफा ख्वाजा मोहम्मद आसिफ।
नाज़रीन आपको बताएं, वज़ीर दिफा ख्वाजा आसिफ का कहना है पाकिस्तान दहशतगर्दी और इंतहा पसंदी के खात्मे के लिए पुरअज़्म है। उनका मज़ीद कहना है पाकिस्तान दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ जंग लड़ रहा है। ख्वाजा आसिफ का कहना है दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ हम सबको मुत्तहिद होना होगा। नाज़रीन आपको बताएं, वज़ीर दिफा ख्वाजा आसिफ का इंशदाद शिद्दत पसंदी के सेमिनार से खिताब कर रहे थे।